What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wrapped Around Reptiles. Got a little educational type instructional video for you today. Check it out and hope you guys like it. Alright, so we've had a V6 rack for a while now, and it's worked great for us. I don't have any complaints, any issues with it, but certain spots in the heat tape have been a little iffy. So we decided to replace the heat tape, and it's something that, you know, might as well show people while we're doing it in case somebody has any questions about it. So we ordered a new roll of 4-inch heat tape that already has the cord attached to it. We ordered it from Reptile Basics. Everything came in great. So we'll start by pulling the old heat tape out, and then we'll put the new heat tape back in. So like you can see when I was pulling it out, this particular rack has little grooves to where you can slide your heat tape under right here. So with 4-inch heat tape, the edges will slide right in those grooves, so you don't have any problems keeping it in place, and then you just weave it back up through. You want to make sure to give a good thorough cleaning of everything once you get all the heat tape out, and make sure you get all the old aluminum tape, everything. Make sure it's all good and clean, and then you can start your process. Go ahead and make sure you get a good measurement, so that way whatever heat tape you got, you can cut it to the right length, and then we'll work on weaving it back through.
Clean.
So as you can see, everything just slides right into the grooves, and let's get our thermostat set up and get the animals back in the tubs. So now that we've got it plugged back up into the thermostat with the probe in place, you just want to take your trusty heat gun and make sure you got some consistency.
Ow.
All the heat tape shooting. Roughly the same. Everything looks good. We'll get all these guys back in their tubs in the rack. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. If there's ever any questions, or if you ever just want to reach out and talk to us, you can get us on here. You can get our Instagram page, Wrapped Around Reptiles, Facebook, or you can just directly message me or Katie. Our phone numbers are all over all of our social media. Thanks again.